हेलो एवरीवन, मैं हूँ श्वेता।
मेरा नाम है इंदर और आप सबका स्वागत है हमारे
चैनल में।
तो अभी हम वीडियो करने वाले हैं वेस्टर्न मीडिया वाज रॉन्ग अबाउट पाकिस्तान। और ये देखते हैं।
ओके।
Pakistan, a country largely known by the West as a so-called dangerous and lawless place. Filled with strict religion, extremist ideologies, and the only Islamic nation to own nuclear weapons. But is this the truth? Well, it did once house the most wanted man in the world.
Navy SEALs went to the compound in the middle of the night in Pakistan and ultimately killed Osama bin Laden.
Although Pakistan officials said they had no knowledge of bin Laden living in the country, the war on terror had forever warped the image of the Middle East. But that would be the first misconception. Pakistan is not in the Middle East. Many people think this because of its Islamic identity, but in reality, it's located in Central Asia, alongside India, China, and Afghanistan, a land far more complex and misunderstood than the headlines could ever show. With recent conflicts against its neighbor India and devastating floods that shook the nation, I can't help to feel a little nervous heading there. But I want to know the truth for myself. What is this country really like beyond the stereotypes? Is Pakistan a dangerous and lawless place the world has been conditioned to fear, a land of chaos, extremism, and uncertainty? Or is there another side, hidden beneath the headlines, waiting to be uncovered?
ओके।
लाहौर वीडियो बन बना क्वालिटी बहुत
First,
अच्छा
I had
है।
to meet up with my buddy James.
Excuse me?
Together, we headed straight into the heart of Lahore, and almost instantly, getting right into the chaos.
Get it?
It was real.
घुस गए।
We jumped out of the car to grab some cash from the ATM, but that's when everything took an unexpected twist. Little did we know, our driver was about to say something that would change our entire trip.
You complete my wish, bro.
Complete your wish?
Yeah.
What's your wish?
I wish I ride someone for nurse.
Really? Have you never driven a foreigner?
Yeah.
That's great. They got you. I'm glad that we could be your first.
Yes.
How long have you been driving for?
2 days.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
Oh, a very long dream then.
Some Facebooks and TikTok. I wish I'd drive someone for nurse.
And somehow, that simple sentence would end up shaping the rest of our time here. Before getting in, I searched up some of the wildest and most chaotic areas to visit in Lahore. But before we could even get there, I threw out a question, half joking, half curious, and the answer I got back completely caught me off guard.
Can we rent a tuk-tuk? Can we drive a tuk-tuk? I wanna drive one here.
One here,
Okay.
right now?
Yeah, let's drive a tuk-tuk. Is it possible?
I'll call someone and because my friend drive a tuk-tuk.
Now, if you don't know what a tuk-tuk is,
Ah.
it's a legendary
Exactly.
three-wheeled monster of a vehicle. Rumor says if you own one of these, you're gonna have to fight off every woman in town. Getting the keys to one of these bad boys makes you an instant legend. We were just minutes away from driving one.
Hey, my friend.
Yeah.
I took it and wow.
And the madness begins.
This is Sami.
Amit?
My friend.
Sunny.
Sami.
Nice to meet you, Ed. I'm James.
We first had to drive down the road because they didn't quite trust us to drive on the main street.
Okay. Is it automatic or manual?
Manual.
Manual?
Basically, this is the ignition.
Okay.
You can start it from there. Is the throttle body, clutch, gear,
The gear. Which one's the clutch? Okay, so it's like a motorcycle.
bike.
Like a motorcycle.
Yeah.
Okay. Never driven one before. Alright.
अबे देखना कैसे चलाएगा।
Everything is so sketchy. Nothing feels like it's working. I'm twisting the throttle, nothing works. The front brake doesn't work. The back brake you have to stomp on. Oh my god, welcome to Lahore. This is like an hour into our first day, by the way. No neutral.
Neutral.
There's a neutral.
There's a neutral, but you have to kick it down so badly.
We'll stay in first. We'll stay in first. Ready?
Yeah.
All right.
Please don't hit them. It's
I won't hit anyone.
Yeah.
I'm a good driver.
Okay. The cops are so active right now.
So I should just go there and turn around?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
You must sit with them. Yeah.
That's okay. I'm a good driver. I go there and I'll turn around.
You sure?
I promise I have
Okay.
lessons, brother.
Yeah.
Nice.
Go ahead.
Ah, nice one.
What'd you do? You want to remind us? I don't know.
Hello, boss.
Good. Tangulia, nice.
This is insane!
मजा आ रहा होगा ना?
Something doesn't sound right. Slow down.
You might fly, bro. You're good driver. Yeah, sure.
What did I tell you? My Pakistani license, brother. Yeah.
First I thought you hit someone.
No.
I'm very scared, bro. Don't hit someone.
You think I can be a taxi driver now?
Yeah.
Your turn, bro.
Alright, let's do this thing.
So you're gonna have to give a little bit of gas
Give a little throttle.
and a little throttle and just let it out. Hey!
Go.
You got it.
Alright, let's go.
He's too fast!
आगे ध्यान दे.
Oh my god. Now the turn. You're really gonna crank it. You almost hit that guy. Oh my god. Oh,
बंद हो गई.
you stalled it.
Alright, let's try this again.
Let the clutch out, let the clutch out.
I don't have it in. I think I'm in the wrong gear.
There you go. Now more gas there.
मस्त मजे आ रहे हैं उसको देख के.
Good.
It was just a thing. Just a thing. License and registration.
Oh no, I'm going
Nice
to
one.
Thanks for letting us drive. I appreciate it.
Thank you, brother.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. I had a blast. Yeah.
Remember when I mentioned those chaotic places I wanted to see? Well, after that wild ride, Ahmed decided it was time to show us a different side of Lahore. The kind of chaos you can only find in its bazaars.
Alright.
बाजार
We
लाहौर का.
arrived at Anarkali Bazaar. And it's absolutely
बाजार तो हमने
insane.
पहली बार
First, I
देखेंगे.
have to interrupt the video real quick. I know this is very distracting, and it will be in a later episode. I can't tell you right now because the people who make these videos possible just came up with something pretty cool. Artlist time and time again keeps adding features to their platform. I already use their music and sound design in every single one of my videos, but now they just added VO3 and Nano Banana to their AI photo video feature. Now, if you're like me and you're not a tech genius and you have no idea what these words mean, let me sum it up for you. VO3 basically means their engine behind their AI just got a whole lot smarter. So it understands your prompts better and can create higher quality results. And Nano Banana is basically just a fancy way of saying you can now upload multiple photos into a single prompt, letting you tweak images as much as you want while keeping consistent characters. And you already saw my funny creations with it in the tuk-tuks.
Okay, उससे बनाया.
Now, if you've ever had any interest in making videos before, I can't recommend Artlist enough. Go sign up using the link down below to get 2 months for free off an annual subscription. Back to the video.
It's quite funny walking around here because we're not just getting stared at because we're the only foreigners in this entire place, but we're also just two idiots walking around with expensive ass cameras. What do people usually buy here? Like, what do they come here for?
They come here for mostly for food.
For food?
Yeah, it's be like food chat. They will. You know they will.
No, no idea.
I will give you one. No, mostly are garments and shoes. This is the Anarkali Bazaar.
Anarkali Bazaar.
This is so crazy. It's so many people.
Yeah, this is the most popular bazaar in Lahore, the Anarkali Bazaar.
Oh my god.
We quickly realized Ahmed's favorite way to show us around was through food.
Sure, I'll try it. Yeah. What do you call this?
Samosa.
Samosa. Oh yeah, samosa.
Yeah.
I love samosa. Yeah. Should we try it, bro? Yeah. You Lady and the Tramp it? Dip in both?
Yeah. This is sweet sauce and this is chene. This is
Okay.
salty.
Salty and spicy?
No. This is not spicy.
Okay.
चना और ये
Go for it. Not spicy. We're good. That's really good. Dip it in. Mmm.
You like it?
Yeah. You try it, bro. Yeah. 10 out of 10.
Yeah.
I love it. How much does this cost?
60 rupees.
Okay. It's on you. I tried to pay for it, and he just wouldn't let me. Man, that Pakistani hospitality is next level, bro.
Okay.
We're just in a random restaurant
Yeah,
now.
that's my good.
Ahmed just left us here. I think he's gonna come back with some surprise meal. What's gonna happen here? See what shows up.
पानी पूरी
Anarkali.
Chaat hai wo, dahi chaat,
These
pani
balloon
puri.
poppers, and then we got the chips right here, and then we got the bean salad and the mud water.
I'll show you.
Yeah, show me.
Make this whole first. Okay?
Oh.
And then
put some chanas आलू और चना अच्छा दही पूरी
Just
चना
in there?
चाट
Oh, for me.
dip
Just dip in here, like this?
Yeah.
Or like that?
like that.
Like get inside?
Yeah, inside. No.
No?
Properly dip.
All the way.
Yeah.
Shit.
Pull
Alright.
it and have it
The whole thing.
Yeah.
Yes.
This is so funny. We have no idea how to do this.
That's good. Your turn.
All right.
Yeah.
Oh, टूट गया.
Clearly, I've never done this before. It's pretty good.
पानी पूरी है,
I
पानी
don't
पूरी
even
या
know
गोल
what
गप्पे
this
जो
is.
बोला है.
Like it's
या
like
पुचका.
it's completely
Puchka.
own flavor. Like I
दही
can't.
दही
I
डाल
think it's
के
just like a
थोड़ा
mix
सा
of flavors, and I create his own flavor. I don't even know what this is.
Like the only foreigners here, and every time we try anything, everyone's just laughing at us.
We obviously don't know what we're doing here.
No clue. No, bro, you're too nice.
We'll pay you good afterwards.
वही पे कर रहा है अच्छा
अच्छी
लगा
बात है.
That is the place we just ate at. So I'm kind of hoping this is not gonna backfire on us and we're throwing up in the toilet after.
No, we're not putting that out there. It's not going to happen.
No bad. I've had my fair share of food poisoning, so I think my stomach's good now.
I'm just immune to food poisoning. No
Yeah.
matter what happens, I'm not going to get it.
Famous last words.
and the 12 hours later.
Ready? Cut.
This is party song, bro.
Yes.
Yeah.
Sing it, brother. Sing it.
Guys, nice.
We're just driving, and we saw a trampoline on the side of the road. Now we're gonna jump on it. Musa?
Sophia.
Sophia? I do them up. Kia.
वाह
Your turn, bro. All right.
Let's try a side flip.
Nice.
He got that.
That's actually good.
It's like an amusement park, I swear.
Hey, let's go.
Hey, do you know how to speak Urdu?
No, can you teach me?
No.
That was good.
All right, fair enough. Oh,
अच्छा ये
that doesn't feel safe. Oh, oh my god.
Okay, तेरे पास नहीं.
Come sit inside.
Oh my god.
Bro,
I don't know.
Bro, come sit in this.
अरे
ये मस्त क्या बोलने वाला crazy
That was kind of the most sketchy thing I've ever done. Oh my god, that was so scary.
बच्चा बहुत मस्ती करे
Nice, bro.
food time, food time.
चाय
Tea. Look at this. Let's try it. A little chai. That's really hot.
हाँ गलत होएगी
Easy, take it
Yeah,
easy.
let's let that rest for a second.
Company आ जाएगी Bro,
What are you so excited about? Where are you bringing them?
yeah, I'm very excited. There are more than 50 rides. And we're gonna do,
More
This
than
is
50
very good.
rides.
With roller coasters.
Yeah.
Oh my
अच्छा कोई ऐसा रहेगा.
मेला टाइप
मेला टाइप.
Pakistan roller coasters.
Mini Yeah.
Mini roller coasters. Okay.
Yeah.
If the Ferris wheel wasn't enough, I guess we'll do more. Alright, we just got denied entry because we got short, so we're gonna go buy fits. So we can get in there. You have on backwards, bro. There. There you go. Oh yeah, lose your color.
2,500 में मिल रहा है.
In the hospital. Oh my god, bro. It looks so good. Look at that. The Avengers have suited up. Ready to go. There we go. The amusement park is not.
Oh, ये तो अरे अच्छा है
Oh, who's this? Hey. Hey, yo. Here we go. You look that I should lock at me. The amusement park doesn't know what's gonna hit them. Time to go ride some roller coasters.
इसको पूरा सावो.
Let's go. Good?
बस बहुत मस्त है यार बहुत मस्त
मजा
है
आ रहा है यार.
Oh my god. Damn, the power just went out. The power to the entire place just went out. That's
Power cut हो गया है.
अच्छा झूले पे नहीं थे
हाँ.
literally like 2 minutes after we just felt that ride.
अभी तो पूरा गिरा.
बैक
Today was a success, brother. All thanks to you, bro.
Thanks to you, bro.
If you didn't book that ride, we never would have met Ahmad.
First time with me.
Yeah, first time. Yeah, that was my first time. That was like our first hour in the city. Then we met you, bro.
Thank you, it's my pleasure.
And more tomorrow.
Yeah, inshallah.
Inshallah. Inshallah. Inshallah.
ओके
I can't control it, bro. Oh. Alright, it is the morning of day 2 in Lahore, Pakistan,
And I think what a lot of people think when I go to these places, they think I'll be staying in some rundown, like apartment building or hotel. But in reality, it's quite luxurious. Take a look. I have a really nice bedroom. A really nice living room.
Oh. ये लगता है homes. Oh.
And even a cinema.
पूरा वो
Bro, you should watch my
विला टाइप से उसने किया होगा.
Yes.
Is that good enough? I guess we'll go there.
Back on the streets, day 2.
Yesterday, we got to see a lot of the chaos of Lahore, but today, we're exploring a lot more of the beauty.
Oh, पूरा spices.
We have entered the walled city, which is obviously a city surrounded by a wall, but every building here is at least over 100 years old.
Whoa.
Everyone goes to buy their spices and a bunch of random stuff. So right now, it's quite hectic with everyone coming here to buy all their stuff. It's kind of insane.
मुर्गी पकड़ रहे. Oh, close.
Place is so hectic.
These little tiny alleyways are not only just for walking, but apparently for bikes too.
Oh. Wow.
बहुत अच्छी मस्जिद है.
Alright, we're probably in the most beautiful part of Lahore, and we're at Lahore Fortress. This whole place is insanely
Nice. अच्छा है, काफी अच्छा है.
Gotta take our shoes off. Also, once again, we have been told we are not allowed cameras in, so
वो बंदा भी साथ है ना. That is a good thing.
This place is huge. Oh my god.
मस्त है यार. अच्छा, काफी अच्छा है.
It's been quite shocking to be here. From what I grew up hearing about this place, it's all been a misconception. I think a lot of us sit at home believing we know what the world looks like. But in reality, most of the time, we're just being fed something completely untrue. Yes, there is danger in the world, and sometimes it feels like it's all around us. But from what I found, time and time again, traveling around the globe, the good always outweighs the bad. People are inherently good. This is all we see and hear now is the loudest 1%. Take Ahmed, for example. I came into this country quite nervous, unsure of what I would find. But something as simple as a kind heart and a wish to one day drive foreigners turned into 3 unforgettable days exploring Lahore together. Days that showed me the true side of Pakistan, a side the headlines never talk about. So, thank you, Ahmed. Thank you for being yourself, for opening the world to us, and reminding me that no matter what the headlines say, there's always way more good out there than we realize.
today we're going the most dangerous road.
ये भी देखना पड़ेगा अभी.
Here's what it looks like.
Wow.
Looking at like a 500-meter drop.
Wow.
That one was close. Oh my god.
Whoa. अरे जो मजा आया वीडियो देख के यार. तुम्हें को इसका नेक्स्ट वीडियो भी देखना है?
इसका देखना पड़ेगा ये वाला.
कड़क वीडियो था यार. मतलब एक्शन में बहुत है इसमें ना. ऐसा नहीं कि एकदम हाई फ्रंट लोग पूरा रॉ पाकिस्तान बताया कि मतलब गलियों में कैसे लोग रहते, कैसी हॉस्पिटैलिटी है, क्या है. वो सही था
वो
एकदम.
बहुत अच्छा लगा. और इनफैक्ट मुझे वो बंदा भी बहुत अच्छा
काफी स्वीट था. उनको टुक टुक चलानी थी, उसका बंदोबस्त करके दिया. टुक टुक चलाया. हर एक चीज जो प्रॉपर बोलते हैं ना, मेहमान को कैसे रखते हैं ना वैसा रखा है.
वैसी वाली खातिरदारी थी. बहुत अच्छा लगा. इनफैक्ट वेरी नाइस
यार. मतलब ये देख के ना, ये देख के मन करता है कि जाए घूमे वहां पे एकदम.
एक्चुअली।
बट एक्चुअली बहुत मजा आया,
ना बहुत अच्छा लगा। बट अभी नेक्स्ट वाला वीडियो भी देखना पड़ेगा क्योंकि वो लोग
आगे तो
शायद
पता
बहुत
नहीं
सारी
है।
जगह पे गए होंगे जो हमने
cliff,
थोड़े बहुत वीडियोस में देखे हैं।
वेट करेंगे, चलो अभी
Absolutely.
इसका अगला वीडियो ढूंढेंगे गाइस। तब तक के लिए आप सब अपना ख्याल रखिए और ऐसे वीडियो और सजेस्ट करते रहिए,
कमेंट करते रहिए। टेक केयर,
बाय बाय।